Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scenic Sojourns. Have you ever felt that travel is calling, but your bank account is saying, hold on a minute, you're not alone? For the longest time, I thought exploring the world was only for the wealthy. But let me tell you, I've discovered a world of adventure on a budget. Imagine cruising through breathtaking landscapes, indulging in delicious local cuisine, and experiencing vibrant cultures, all without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to ditch the misconception that travel has to be expensive, stick around. In this video, I'm going to take you on a journey to some of the most incredible destinations on Earth, all while sticking to a budget of $100 a day or less. Get ready to be inspired. Now, I know what you might be thinking. $100 a day? That's impossible. Trust me, I get it. We've all seen those luxurious travel shows with private jets and five-star hotels. But the truth is, travel doesn't have to cost a fortune. Instead of fancy hotels, think cozy guest houses or homestays. Instead of lavish meals at tourist traps, explore local markets and street food stalls bursting with flavor. By embracing the local way of life, you'll not only save money, but also have a much more authentic and enriching experience. First up, we're heading to Southeast Asia, to the land of vibrant cities, emerald rice paddies, and mouth-watering cuisine, Vietnam. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene beauty of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam is a feast for the senses. Picture this. You wake up in a charming homestay overlooking rice paddies, the air thick with the aroma of pho. For lunch, you pull up a plastic stool at a street food stall and savor a steaming bowl of pho for a couple of dollars. Vietnam is proof that you can have an unforgettable experience without breaking the bank. Next, we're journeying to South America, to the heart of the Andes Mountains, to a country of stark beauty and surreal landscapes, Bolivia. Get ready to be amazed by the world's largest salt flat, Salar de Uyuni. Explore ancient ruins and immerse yourself in the vibrant indigenous culture. Imagine this. You're standing on the blinding white expanse of Salar de Uyuni, the sky reflected perfectly on its surface, creating a surreal dreamscape. Basic hostels can be found for as little as $10 a night, and hearty local meals cost just a few dollars. From trekking through breathtaking landscapes to experiencing the country's rich history, Bolivia offers adventure on a shoestring budget. Our next adventure takes us to the roof of the world, to the majestic Himalayas of Nepal. If you're a trekking enthusiast or simply crave breathtaking mountain scenery, Nepal is a dream destination that won't drain your bank account. Imagine yourself trekking through lush rhododendron forests, the snow-capped peaks of the Annapurna Range towering above. You stay in cozy tea houses along the trails, sipping on steaming cups of chai while sharing stories with fellow trekkers from around the globe. You can find basic but comfortable guest houses for around $10 to $20 per night, and a plate of dal bhat, the national dish of Nepal, will only set you back a couple of dollars. From the vibrant city of Kathmandu to the serene beauty of the Himalayas, Nepal offers an unforgettable adventure that fits comfortably within a $100 budget. Now, for our final destination, I'm taking you to a hidden gem, a country often overlooked but brimming with beauty and charm, Albania. Nestled in southeastern Europe, Albania boasts stunning coastlines, rugged mountains, and a rich history just waiting to be discovered. Imagine strolling along the Albanian Riviera, turquoise waters lapping at your feet, the sun warming your skin. Albania is a paradise for budget travelers, with hostels starting as low as $10 per night and meals costing just a few dollars. From the vibrant capital city of Tirana to the stunning beaches of the Riviera, Albania offers an off-the-beaten-path European adventure that won't break the bank. From the bustling streets of Vietnam to the surreal landscapes of Bolivia, the majestic Himalayas of Nepal, and the hidden gem of Albania, we've explored some of the most incredible destinations on Earth, all while sticking to a budget of $100 a day or less. Remember, travel is not a luxury. It's an investment in yourself, in broadening your horizons, and creating lifelong memories. Don't let a limited budget hold you back from answering the call of adventure. With a little planning and an open mind, the world is your oyster. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite budget travel tips and destinations? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.